Walking Rocky. And my wife's over there. She's feeding a cat after a storm. She wants to feed the stray cats. There's like 2 of them she's feeding, so. I gotta stay over here. Because the cat, she don't want him to scare him and whatnot, so stay right over here. No, we can't go over there, Rocky. I'm a bit tired though, I can tell you that. It's about like 10:20, so I'm ready to go to sleep. The other cat lives over there where that black SUV is. Like, there's a storm drain in there, and it lives over there, and she's been feeding it. At first, she just felt bad because of the water. Like, it was really hot, and she decided to give it water, and then she said, oh, well, I'm just gonna start feeding it. So I don't even like cats, even though I like all animals, but I'd rather have a dog. But it's just like, why feed the cat? But oh well, it is what it is. She's gonna do whatever she's gonna do.